Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q5 backseat step by step. Start by folding down the center armrest, unlatching the two rear seatback levers, and lowering the seatbacks to access bolts. Next, remove headrests and locate the seat base release clips near the front of the cushion. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts securing the seat base, then lift the seat out carefully with a helper to avoid damage. Inspect the seating area for hidden fasteners and disconnect the battery to prevent airbag issues before continuing. Remove plastic trim pieces with a pry tool to reveal bolts and harness connectors. Disconnect the seat heater and sensor plugs by pressing tabs and gently pulling. Note connector positions for reinstallation. Keep hardware organized in labeled bags and take photos of connector locations to simplify reassembly and avoid mistakes later. Ask a helper to support heavy pieces. Quick recommendation: if this guide helped, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It navigates under seats and picks up crumbs and pet hair with smart mapping and voice control. I find it perfect for keeping an Audi Q5 interior tidy after seat work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To reinstall, align the seat base with the mounting rails and slide it forward until clips engage, then hand thread bolts to set alignment. Torque bolts to factory spec using a torque wrench and reconnect all electrical plugs securely. Test seat movement, seatbelt buckles, and heater function before lowering seatbacks. Verify airbag warning lights are off and perform a brief road test to confirm no unusual noises or movement occur. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.